In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products in bulk to your Shopify store. Whether you're setting up a new store or expanding your existing inventory, knowing how to efficiently add multiple products at once is a crucial skill that can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's get started. First, we need to navigate to Shopify's website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Shopify homepage. Once there, the next step is to log into your account. You'll usually find the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, make sure to have your phone or authentication app handy, as you might need to confirm your login. Once logged in, you'll land on the Shopify home, your central hub for managing your store. Here you can keep track of all your operations, analytics, and notifications. From the home page, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation panel. Click on Products to proceed, where you'll manage all the products in your store. Now that you're in the product section, take a moment to explore the options available. Here, you can manually add products one by one. However, for bulk import, we have a different element to focus on. Look for the Themes option in the side panel. While it might seem a little counterintuitive, selecting themes is part of the process and will lead you to where you need to be next. With Themes clicked, you'll now be directed to a page where you can find customization options for your storefront. But for our purposes, we need to proceed to the Import option from this path. Look for a button or link labeled Import. This is where the magic begins. Clicking on Import will take you to the final step in our process. From here, you should see the Import interface. It's designed to facilitate uploading a bulk list of products into your store. Typically, you'll need to use a CSV file formatted to match Shopify's product data requirements. Make sure your CSV file is prepared correctly, capturing all necessary details like names, descriptions, prices, and inventory quantities, and always double-check for errors or formatting issues to avoid hiccups. Once your file is ready and uploaded, Shopify will process the data and automatically add the products to your store. Depending on the number of items you're adding, this process might take a few moments. Once completed, it's a good idea to navigate back to the Products section and review your newly imported listings. Check that all the information appears correctly and make any necessary tweaks or adjustments. And there you have it. You've successfully imported products in bulk into your Shopify store. With this skill, managing store inventory becomes a breeze, allowing you to focus on other critical aspects of your business. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!